Welcome to Brevard Value Motors and checking out our inventory. This vehicle has been hand selected for its safety and reliability. It's been inspected, reconditioned, and road tested by our certified mechanic with over 25 years experience. If you need help financing the purchase, we can help. Credit lower than a backstabbing best friend? No problem. We offer in-house financing and we report to the credit bureau to get you back on track. Pristine credit? Fantastic. We work with credit unions that offer rock bottom rates. Bottom line, if you like what you're hearing and seeing, take the next step and schedule a test drive. You'll be glad you did, and you'll be well on your way to joining our other happy customers. Over 4,000 and counting. See you soon.